would like to show you how to properly load the 3M Scotch ATG 700 Adhesive Tape Applicator. First step, open the cover on the applicator by pressing this tab and swinging the cover open. Inside you will find a supply hub and a rewind hub. Assuming your applicator is empty, you are now ready to load. Start by taking the roll of ATG product of your choice and lifting up on the Start tab that initiates the leader. You will want to orient the roll so that when you pull the leader, the roll unwinds in a clockwise direction. You can then press the roll onto the supply hub. Align the voids in the core of the new ATG roll with the cogs on the supply hub to properly engage. Make sure the retainer on the supply hub snaps back into place, capturing the roll. Start by pulling the trigger on the applicator to allow the supply hub to rotate freely. Then unwind the tape leader over the first roller, under the second roller, up and over the new roll until you come to the rewind hub. Then take the adhesive tab and adhere it to the hub. While still holding the trigger, rotate the rewind hub until the tab is covered by the incoming leader to further secure the tab. If the leader is not properly captured, the tab may come off and the applicator will not work. You are now ready to close the cover and apply the tape. When applying the first strip of adhesive, make sure the adhesive breaks cleanly from the leader and transfers to your substrate. If it does not, you may have to pick at the adhesive to get it started. I typically initiate it manually to ensure it works perfectly from the first application. And that is how you properly load an ATG 700 tape applicator.